कुमारम श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नितल्या पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्य भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज, नितल्या पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टो भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज, all Sirupanu Guru Vargas Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So today's Krishna's appearance day, Sri Sukdev Goswami telling this all pastimes to Parikshit Maharaj. निशीथे तम उद्भूते जाय माने जनार्दने, देवक्यम देव रूपिण्यम विष्णु सर्वगुहासे, आविरासित जथा प्राच्या दिसिंधु रिव पुष्कल। निशीथे, middle of night, so dark, cloudy, sound is coming, no cloud sound, make garjanas, all are silence. That time means all fully absorb, meditate. When we can hear sound of Krishna's crying, this Bal Leelas, no, so all stunned. Jamna's river, earth, all planets, flowers, all everyone very happy because waiting for that. But this earth, when Krishna come, all happy, all stars, no, like Rahu, Ketu, Sunny, Budh, Mangal, all they know going against to Krishna because they know if we are against to Krishna, then Krishna take our job. So they are servant. So when Krishna coming, they are all favorable Krishnas. Everyone favorable. Who are against and favorable, all becoming favorable. Who are very bad, like Kans, Chanur, Musti, that is another things. But this all saying their all stars become favorable. Huh? Rahu, Ketu all Anukul. And all Jamnas happy. Jamnas like this, what called month of Bhado, muddy, but Jamnas not today muddy. Water is so crystal. Prasanna Salila, Nadyas, Prasanna Salila. Brahmans are silence, not doing any jagya because fear of Kansa, but Haman Kund automatically fire came out. So Brahman think this is auspicious. So they also start Swaha, Swaha, Krishnaya Swaha, Govindaya Swaha, starting to chanting some mantras, Asti Vachans. So that time Janardhan, why all become happy? Because Jai Mane Janardhan. Janardhan is today's coming, Janma. Here's first word using Jai Mane. Janardhan Krishna, Jana Nam, Jiva Nam, Bhakta Nam, Parikara Nam. Jana Nam means Brajvasi Nam. ब्रजवासियों के for Brajvasis all disturbance take because Brajvasis not looking Krishna, they feel so upset because Krishna sent to them, go there, I am coming. Swadham Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari Swaparsada Suyadhama Sahavatari. So Parikar came, but Krishna is not coming. Also another Parikar will come because Krishna when come, then after Krishna very soon many people also come, like Radharani come, another also devotees come because some coming before Krishna, some coming same time Krishna, some coming little after Krishna, but all coming. So they also upset. So every person disturbance go and all feel happy. This cause Krishna one name is Janardhan. On bhaktas, all disturb take and all happiness give. So that Janardhan, Jaiman, took birth Where took birth? Devaki Devarupinyam. From Devaki's womb. That womb is not like diet, ordinary ladies, where is no stool, calf, mucus, no like that. Because here one bird using Devi, Devakyam Devarupinyam. Because Devaki is here, Jasoda is Devi. Devi means transcendental, Dautmana. Because they are eternal parikar of Krishna's, eternal mother, father. So they are transcendental, they are Sachidanand, Swaparsad. Because Bhagavan and Bhagavan parikar same, not material. So they are also Sachidanand. So here Devi Sabda using, Devakyam. Devi means protecting to listener, don't do aparadh. Because Bhagavan is Deva, so he took birth from Devis, not ordinaries, bird ladies. So she is also transcendental. Devakyam Devarupa. So Devaki means Jasodas. Devaki means also Devakis. Vasudev means Nanda Baba, Vasudev means also Mathura's Vasudevs. So who have what mood, according to own mood, that bhav milk. Because different type devotees, different type moods. Some are Mathura's parikars, some are Dwarka parikars. How they satisfy? Like Parikshit Maharaj, hearing Braja Katha, but he is Arjuna's, like Hastinapur's people. They are Aishwarya mood some. They fully Madhurja cannot drink. So everyone how can satisfy? So Sukdev Goswami Guru no, his all moods, all rasas, all devotees satisfy alone. So who what understand, understand. But Sukdev Goswami no hiding truth thing telling, but you have to understand by Vaishnavas. Jaha Bhagavat Padha Vaishnava Sthane. If you no go Vaishnav place, then no, you cannot understand Krishna took birth in Gokul. Krishna's mother is Jasoda, father is Nand Baba. Because Bhagavat who is mentioning, very hard to this meaning take out. Even big learned bewildered. Muhyanti Jat Suraya. We very easy saying Krishna is son of Jasoda. Why? Because we associate Guru Devs. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Paramparas. Where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very directly telling Krishna no Jadu Sambhuta. Jastu Gopendra Nandana Vrindavanam Paritajya Padmekam na sagachati. This is proof of Puranas. Whose Krishna took Mathura birth, manifest Mathura, his Jadu Vansha Krishnas. Actually Vrindavan Krishna also Jadu Vanshas. But in Jadu Vansh is not Kshatriyas, Gopas. Or that is Kshatriyas. So why Krishna Mathura manifest? If no Mathura manifest, then Kshatriya Viman not come. Or Kshatriya type Leela cannot do. On Braja Krishna's Braja no manifest, then Braja's Gopas pride not come. So Narvat Leelas, really pride come, I am Gopas, I am cowherd boy. If no cowherd boy, then he no feel happy to cow grazing. Because Kshatriya's boy come to cow grazing, it's not that type feelings come. Because which caste, that time you do your duty, then you feel happy. If so how nature different, then you feel different. So Kshatriya nature little different, fighting on little gavetis. And cowherd boy nature, fighting but no gaveti. Restless. Ha, who, he, who, anything do, no, in brothers, no restriction. Because they no go to school, no study, nothing. So nothing to think what to do, not do. This original birth need to Krishna's Brajas. So Krishna first took birth in Brajas, Gokul. From Jasoda mother moved, Jai Mane Janardane, from Devakis who is Devarupini. Also same time Mathura is manifest. Devakyam Devarupinyam Vishnu Sarva Guha Say Ave Rasid Jatha Prachya Disindu Riva Puskal. Here Krishna birth, Sukdev Goswami very carefully telling, Krishna manifests like moon. Moon from each direction, how manifesting? This way Krishna from Jasoda mother, Devaki mother's womb manifest. But their feelings, Jasoda mother got feeling, Krishna is my womb, and Uncle Bell after knowing birth, then Uncle Bell cutting, these feelings came to mother. Jogmaya arrange everything. Because Jogmaya what do? Only Jogmaya knows. This cause Brahma is saying, Ko veti bhuvan bhagwan paratman yogesvaratur bhavastat trilokyam koham katham va kati va kadeti vistaren kidasi Jogmaya. Mercy of Jogmaya, when what you doing, who know? So Jasoda mother also feel, I gave one baby's birth. But that baby is not ordinary baby. Nanapatnim Jasodayam jatam param abudhayat. My baby is not simple. That is param. Means it's special, supreme. Param jatam. Means supreme personality of Godhead. This type no, but she cannot tell because Basal mood, but realize this boy is not ordinary. But not tad lingam. But burn and also she feeling ankle bells, everything for moment second, and after she sleep. When this feeling came, Jasoda mother strong pride come for Krishna. Krishna is my baby. Then from Vatsalya what milk come, from Vatsalya what affection come, that become original. Because Nirsingh Bhagwan manifest from pillar. So pillar not any feelings came. His pillar is no mother of Nirsingh Bhagwan, but pillar not giving any milk. So this is Bhagwan many places manifesting, we are not getting that Vatsalya because they are not that type. Even another place also like I no want to big tell like what is Devhuti Mata, many places they are Mata, but still no that type Vatsalya like Jasoda mother. So Jasoda mothers big Vatsalya, this cause their Krishna manifest like ordinary boy. Feelings mother like ordinary boy, no, like ordinary boy how taking birth, but not like that. So Devakyam Deva Rupunyam Vishnu Sarva Guha se Avi Rasi Jatha Pracha Di Sindhu Riva Priskal. Sukdev Goswami saying like moon manifest. Means transcendental. Krishna transcendental is Parikar transcendental. But when you manifest, Braja manifest, Krishna not crying, silence. After crying, morning time, night time no crying. Because more lila, no? Because same Krishna's took birth or immediate his manifest also Mathura's Kans Karagra. Here is two hands, a small baby, and same time you have to do their layers, so their four hands, same baby there manifest, four hands. Three places Krishna's no Sarupa mixing. One is Mathura manifesting directly, on that small baby disappear, what this feeling was this, or become four hand with these Brajas. One is Jamuna when crossing, that time mixing. Another Vasudev brought, or that time this baby sleeping. There saw this four hand, and after there also a small baby, or another also here a small baby, because this baby not disappear. In Brajas, what is two hand Krishna? Two hand Sri Krishna not live to Brajas, Gokul, sleeping on bed. But same time he is Aishwarya Prakash, four hand there manifest. In Kansa Karagraha. Because Kansa Karagraha not a small baby came, four hand baby came. But after when Vasudevs were telling, how I can carry you, how I can take you very tall, then he becomes small. That time this Krishna manifests, no, that is small. Or that Krishna he bringing from there. Because night time or sleeping no one know. Or another way this Krishna manifests, but still one Krishna here. Because different Puran, different type telling everything you have to reconcile. So Vasudevan brought them both mix in Brajas, in Gokul.
So in Mathura, when Vishnu becomes small side, this also like...
Yes, Dubhuj means Nandanandan type. And also Mathura Krishna is Dubhuj, but this is Nandanandan type, they are more Madhurjas. When four hand, then less Madhurjas. Like when Mahabharata Juddha doing that, Arjuna chariot that time four hands. Showing Dubhuj, but actually four hands, like this, that's what showing. So, when Vasudeva Maharaj took to Krishna and bring to Brajas, he all Katha heard and putting to Jasoda mother's place. So before that, Jasoda mother, Nand Baba's too much thinking how we can get one baby, nice baby, but could not. Then Jog Maya came Purnamasi. She is sannyasinis, no? Daughter of, mother of Sandipni Muni, came with Madhu Mangal. Or when Brajvasi so very happy, all Brajvasi touching her feet pranam because great sadhu, no, sent, or asking, you can benediction to Nand Baba Jasoda mother. They too upset, they want one baby. So you can help on you stay for Braja, where we can make your bhajan kutis. Then some Brajvasi Mathke Krishna Tire, Jamna's one name is Krishna. Krishna means black, Jamnas. Krishna Tire. Tire means back or Tire means close. Jogmaya become very happy. Yes, I want to close stay Krishna, nearby Krishna. Another meaning also Krishna means Radhikas. Some cases, because she is lover of Krishna, who love Krishna, that called Krishna. Like this coming Syam, Syama. No, Krishna. So, yes, I want to stay nearby Radhikas. I want to help Radharani also in these Leelas, because they will come, Jogmaya no. So all Brajvasis said, okay, where we will go? You become our gurus. All mantra give, what we can chant, this thing give. So Jogmaya become guru of Brajvasi. Nand Baba was saying, okay, you chant Narayan, Narayan, but also Govind, Gopal, this mantra tell. If you say Gopal, Gopal, then Gopal will come. Your baby come. Like some sweet mantra give. So this way worshipping, and Jogmaya saying, you follow Ekadasis, and also too much donation to Brahman sadhus, seva to sadhus, because bhakta seva param siddhi prema latikar moola. You do sadhu seva, bhakta seva, then your brata, everything give param siddhis. Just do Ekadasi or no donation, no sadhu seva, then this Ekadasi becoming weak. But if follow Ekadasi, then next day Ekadasi, see people going to Mathura or taking bhiksha, end of Ekadasi, Amrish Maharaj, too much giving sadhu seva, too much feeding prasadam. Then Ekadasi success. So Nand Baba same thing doing, so much calling rishis Mahatmas and giving prasadas. Then one time Nand Baba sleeping on bed, Jasoda mother next to Nand Baba's, and sleeping, both slept. Or one dream came, or they looking, one small baby came, one is boys, one is girl. Girl is golden color, boy is black color. Both first going to Nand Baba's heart. Nand Baba wake up or same thing telling to Jasoda mother. Jasoda mother said, yes, I feel these two babies came your heart or they also came to my heart, from your heart. So they become so serious. Very soon baby will come. Also Jasoda mother, some symptom came out, which indicating very soon she will get baby. On Krishna no long time stay mother womb, 8 months. Normal baby 10 months is staying. But Jasoda mother, Devaki mother in 8 months baby's birth. Because this Krishna came 8 months like to trick to Kansas. Because when 9 or 10 months start, then Kans become more alert. 10 months means 100% sure in 5 days, 10 days baby will come. But 2 months before come, then Kans also nicely sleeping. Oh, now it's still 2 months to Krishna's, no, my date will come. So this guy Kans no too much force putting, no so much care. This guy Vasudeva Maharaj also night time. To can also Jogmaya everything arrangement. No? So Jogmaya many were tricking. First 8 months before this happened, this guy Kans not so much alert. Another thing, Jogmaya this thing doing. Jogmaya manifesting this arranging. This guy Kans sleeping, his all force are sleeping. So Jasoda mother, what dream saw? This dream, baby when morning time manifest his court. Sananda Bhuva saw this Syamas Chanchal Charu Balak Stava Palankasthale. Are Jasode, where you are sleeping? You see, your caught one Syam Barnas and very restless eyes so blue like blue sapphire, Nil Manish. How can I touch? Like more soft than lotus. On you are no care sleeping. When Jashoda Mother heard, I no care my baby sleeping, she so fear. I am very bad ladies. If by mistake I roll, or if by baby come my inside body, what can happen? She feels so guilty, so no bad. Why I can sleep? But actually Jog Maya force no. She sleep. But Jashoda Mother Vatsal so conscious. How she can become careless to Krishna? She is like love Krishna million billion life. But when Sunanda saying you careless, that time mother become very careful. And she like to take Krishna's babies and Krishna's no all symbol, no, this kaustups and this Sri Vatsa Chinna. So what is this? Mother like to removing, why this some mark came, what this, what that. Krishna's body, no, many mark. A mother thinking what this, like remove, but after realize it's not ordinary babies. And then Krishna start crying on all Brajvasis heard, especially Sananda Baba tell to Nand Baba, Upananda, Abhinand, they very happy, there's million billion cows donating. Nand Baba took bath. This all know what happened. Tomorrow morning we will hear this all kathas. Because by bath body cleaning, by donation wealth cleaning, by sanskars no land cleaning, and by knowing to your sarupas, who am I, what is my service, then soul is cleaning, soul purifying. Because our soul is now contaminant, because he don't know his real sarup, real sevas. So real purification coming when you know your sarup, your sevas. And another externally purification, but this also helping for bhajan. So everything purify, cure, sanskar good, but own sarupa sanskar necessary. On mood, on seva, if no understand this life, then life is useless. On Brajvasis, sarupa sanskar very nice, because they understand Krishna's Maya, everything. So they have no problem. They take bath, no bath, any do, not do, still they are pure. That anyone make no purification by that mood. But still for Narvat Lila, they are taking bath, this, that. But where Krishna take bath, what is Sutka? Understood? What is dirty? What is contaminant? Because Krishna means purify everything. But Narvat Lila, everything Nand Baba doing. Teaching to sadhak. Nitsid Parikar, they are not satisfied doing by this all culture, all sanskaras for Krishna auspicious. Because in sadhan, too much taste than Siddh Parikars. When Siddh Parikar come in, there too much eagerness, too much anxiety, no, too much eagerness, too much, no, enthusiasm. This kind of what do, not do. He putting kajal, very big, putting anything, doing very, hodgepodge doing sometimes. But for Krishna's happiness, I am Krishna's father, everyone come, then say, how is Krishna's father? Then necessary nicely decorate, because Krishna's father like that. So Nand Baba, no. Sometimes devotees, no, Guru's servant, Thakurji's servant, niceness cloth putting, but actually no for him. Putting because anyone say, this is Gurudev's servant, this is Thakurji's servant, this is like this. This cause Nand Baba, everyone think happy, and everyone blessed to my child, and look all proper culture, so he follow all rule regulation of sadhak. This step, what happened, this all katha, tomorrow we will hear. Srita Kamala Kucha Mandala Dhrita Kundala Kalita Lalita Banamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare, Jaya Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopala Nanda Dulala Jasoda Dula. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare, Jaya Radhe Krishna Govinda. Mani Mandala Man कालिय विषधर गंजन जनरंजन कालिय विषधर गंजन जदुकुल नलिन दिनेश जदुकुल नलिन दिनेश जय जय देव हरे जदुकुल नलिन जय राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल जसोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे जय राधा कृष्ण गोविंद मधुमुर नरक विनाशन गरुड़ासन मधुमुर नरक विनाशन सुरकुल केलि निदान सुरकुल जय जय देव हरे वृंदावन केलि निदान जय जय अमल कमल दल लोचन भव मोचन अमल कमल दल त्रिभुवन भवन निधान त्रिभुवन भवन जय जय देव हरे त्रिभुवन भवन निधान जय राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल जसोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे जय जनक सुता कृत भूषण जित दूषण है जनक सुता समर समित दस कंठ समर समित जय जय देव हरे समर समित दस अभिनव जलधर सुंदर धृत मंदर अभिनव जलधर श्रीमुख चंद्र चकोर श्रीमुख राधा मुख चंद्र चकोर राधा मुख जय जय देव हरे राधा मुख चंद्र चकोर जय राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल जसोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे राधे कृष्ण जय जय देव हरे जय जय तव चरणे प्रणताभयम् इति भावये तव चरणे प्रणताभयम् देव कवेरिदं कुरुते मुदं श्री जय देव कवेरिदं मंगलमुज्ज्वल गीता मंगलम जय जय देव हरे मंगलमुज्ज्वल जय राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल जसोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे जय राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल जय जय देव हरे जय जय जगन्नाथ हरे जय जगन्नाथ जय सचिनंदन जय गौर हरि सचिनंदन जय गौर हरि जय सचिनंदन जय हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 राम हरे निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि। श्री गौर प्रेमानंद श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की